In this video, I'm going to share how to fix Steam error missing file privileges. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, you need to come to your Steam, okay, log into your account. Then you need to click at the taskbar, click Task Manager, and click on any program. Press S until you find Steam. Click End Task, that will end Steam task. After doing that, click on your search bar, search for Steam, click with the right button and run as administrator. Okay. After doing that, you will see some options, 5 options at the top left corner. Click on Steam, the first option, settings. You will see some options, several options right here. Click on downloads below library and you will come to this page. After doing that, you can change your download region. So change the download region to other region near you. You can also click on Steam library folders, click on these 3 dots, click repair folder. Okay, that will repair all the files that you have on the games. You can also click with the right button just on one game, properties, local files, and verify integrity of game files. If all of this doesn't work, again come on Steam, settings, downloads, and clear download cache. Clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. After doing all of this, you probably will resolve your error. I hope I helped you how to fix Steam error missing file privileges. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.